hey usisi uthi awushozi la sifika khona uthi like bekunuka enye into uthi uyazi ukuthi ku stuffy ku unhygienic uthi and ngithize mangibona lamantombazana ngibona ukuthi muslaba ngithengisa uthi kwaza listing kimi ukuthi lo muntu lona before sizohlala bathu silagria ku siphatlong ngithethe wathi asambe ka doctor so test ama STIs and everything ne 3 days uthi we did it sa check wabathi show ukuthi vele ngiclean nayi uhle uthi kanti lo muntu lo kahle kahle bekafuna ngibona ukuthi ngine value na what else ukuthi angihlile lapha yana ngihlanganisa ngikhala uthi ngiyabonga ukuthi lo muntu musidala angiplanela uthi nalapha yibo masifika awusichoose umuntu udla isiphatlo sami wasidla cabanga or like into engisubhlungu ukuthi like bengiyuziwa ngebody yami ngize nothengisiwa for ibody yami. They don't even give them ukuthi ucamela ini akunamcamelo or awushozi. Then there is this big container ya Doni, the cheapest Doni, you know. Kune nsipho, the cheapest nsipho, you know, kunensipho and nama vaslap vele maningi shoot like kuba nentombazana ihlala ndeni yashishiya vaslap namathi splash maningi then banithengela nama Colgate and then qedana kuphela ne or le paketana uthi le mapaketana yabona lawo amasalunda oma 1 kg we have food ngale paketana I have food phela or awushozi ayitenga into engwa hore maybe perfume nyana uthi uthi namaro on banthengela ukuthi ube ne perfume nyana ube lithuna for sifahleho or in sifahleho spetha ka Vaseline or ka Don utswa wena urotswa jwang akuna anything else. And then there is a pack ke yama sanitary pads yabona uthi yabona la wasesibhedlela la newazi mazi wasesibhedlela uthanjani lana lenkuku kama na lenkuku kama ukhona oyiri usapara gabi igaba ngisho yayibona lawo banithengela lawo should like they don't give at them ukuthi kwenzakalani ngani stuff like that. They don't. All our shows mangibuya vele lapha yana uthi vele bengikhala vele ngihlala phansi vele ngikhala uthi ngathi ngikuhambele ngacoka there is this other chick and then uthi ngithi athi kimi athi ubani igama lakho uthi like ngizwe for first time ngizwe ukuthi lo ubuya like in my country sikhuluma the same language. What I was told those ladies we are from different countries sonke asiveli ngapha eMzansi kuphela sivela different countries abanye bakhona ikhuluma language ngapha abanye bayayizama uthi manje lo ukhuluma vele straight ukuthi unjani ubani igama lakho uri ngabona lapho ngathi yo at least ngakhona ukukhala ngikhalela someone ungangizwa uri vele ngimtshela ukuthi ngumsiko uthi angibuza ukuthi ulethe usu uthi angitshela angibuza ukuthi ulethe usemna osona so or awushozi ngasikhihla because I know if ever yena lethe if ever as usem it means ukuthi uze the very same way ngize ngakhona la uthi awushozi makathi sem uthi vele ngisikhihle isikhala uthi ngikhale enye into engayazi uthi like ngikhale uthi vele angihake le ntombazana le athi nanoma ungakhala as much as you like but remember ukuthi la stuck up we failed ourselves failing abazali bethu uthi awushozi ngikhale kakhulu makhuluma layo magama uthi ngicabanga amagama kamngani wami athi remember ukuthi uzeleni la uthi ngikhale to think ukuthi abazali bami laba khona bane stress they don't even know ukuthi ngikuphi or awushozi kele uthi ugel angiphi chance angangijahe vele ngikhale athi kulabona like ulle ngarufela ke moya ngibiza insibibithwana ulle uhle ngari moya hawo like kwa block uthi ngikhale uthi ugela ngipha amanzi athi pause uthi vele angichazela athi mina usemngahlangana naye guphi sa data uthi we dated for 6 months umuntu athi ufuna uletha amandwendwe ikithi ufuna ukubona ekhaya ukuthi makathumela abomalume ubathumela kuphi awushozi intombazana enqoqela mina ke manje mina ukuthi the girl qoqela unhlanhla asithini ugirl sothi unhlanhla ucukela ulisiko or angitshela ukuthi ufuna uthumela amandwendwe or awushozi uthi le ntombazana the way like bechaza ngakhona or like ube hor this man like umastarile ukuthi amantombazana sithanda ini sifuna ini sibeka ini phambili uthi vele achaza athi uyafuna ukuthumela amandwendwe ikithi athi ngomazisa abasekithi uthi I went naye ikithi ngomazisa abasekithi stuff like that uthi umuntu okay ngaba ukuthi yena naye ucela abasekithi ukuthi ufuna ungihambisa ayongazisa abasekibo before kuzoyenziwa amakhadi ceremony, because already beyathumela neletter uthi amandwendwe azaneni ikithi ba prepare. Or awushosi kwaba nokuthi siyahamba ke siya kunye tailor so wenza ama measurements vele wezimpahla and stuff like that. Or like bekuyinto serious ukuthi bengeke uzubona ukuthi scam, because this guy mina bekangibhadalana la ngihlala khona, bekangithengela ukudla, bekangithengela inwele, uthi like bekandirela everything. I don't want to lie to you ngithi ngimkhuluma kabi, bekangenzela yonke into, bekangikhipha besiya kuma expensive restaurant, besibooka kuma expensive lodges nama guest house, or like everything ekebatlang nekekre. Kanti I didn't know ukuthi behind everything, behind konke lokho mina ngizokhokha ngomzimba wami. Umtshela ukuthi okay be90 siye ngayo ikibo, uthi masifike kiba athi kimi ngigeze ngibe muhle siphathini. Uthi vele masifika lapha yena ngeza vele semuhle, uthi masifike ephathini ngihlale na athi kimi athi ngiyabuya. Uthi ucale vele uthi amthengele i-drink, athi bamba le drink asiphuza, uthi vele sacheza saphuza, uthi like besiye ku this fancy club enhle, uthi kimi athi kimi ungamuvi ngiyabuya. Uri ngigcine ngiphuza le nto le yana, uthi mangivuka ngila uSam akekho, azange ngibone lelo langa. Uthi mangiphapha mangila, uthi days later uyeza one time bekalethenga intombazana ukhona kule group lethe intombazana. Uthi mangithi club sivele ngiyambheka, uthi umuntu wayethi ngathi kangazi, uthi ngavele ngathi Sam, uthi wathula wathi what's wrong. Uthi like ngabona a beast in him ukuthi lo muntu lo lento le ujwayele ukuyenza. Uthi like mina bengifile ukuthi ngitshontshiwe uSam la khona uyangifuna up and down. Uthi mangiza la at the back of my mind I was like uSam stressed nguphi since angishiya athi ngiyabuya bambi drink yakho ngiyabuya. Kanti it was whole part of the setup. Bangitrakile bathele basipaki drink yami for me ukuthi ngicollapse angigugi angilethela. Uthi ulethe about 5 girls after mina. Ezala letha drop, ezala a drop. All those girls bakhuluma the same story. So ugele uthi yamtshela ukuthi mina bengimthanda, bengimbeliever, mangila bengikhala ukuthi umuntu stress, kanti no, umuntu uthola imali. Lo uSam isosa outsource amantombazana, usebenza nomunye umjida, bakhona abanye abelethe umunye ubhudi la, bayi2 labo Sam bayi2 lemikulu ukuthi uthengisa amantombazana bayi2, nayo yenza kwamanye ama country, lo nayo yenza ama neighboring countries. Okay sharp. Uthi vele ambuzo ukuthi manje nenzani, uthi like la mabafuna ukusebenzisa uyageza, uyahamba uya somewhere, or bayathatha bakisa lapho ufike ugeza lapho, and then they do whatever they do na ngawe, and then bona bathola imali. The sad part uthi wena they don't give you even a single cent. Uthi musingizibuzo, that's why lo muntu bekanemali asibhuka if athi it's because of bekafuna ukuthi umtrust, athi they buy your trust, because mawufuna lokhu mangafuna into ye 10,000 uzoyithenga, because then he knows ukuthi ayuthengisa uthola more than that. So that's the reason ulantombazana. Or I was just ngibona ore yabona future yakhe ifedile, my life ifedile, ngiyohlala la intombazana makathi almost so close to a year la, mina ngiyohlala how many months. So uthi yambuza ke ukuthi is there a way ukuthi singa escape again, uthi amtshela ukuthi ayikho indlela unga escape ngayo because of mawla awuboni. Each and every time aphuma by coverage, so you won't see anything, but ukhona umunye umama ovana silethile ukudla asiphekelayo. If ever singacela yena ukuthi asincede singakhona ukubaleka, ibe kanjalo indaba. Uthi abasakhuluma so umnyango uvuleke, uthi this time avuleka uSam uyavela, uthi uSam uyavela, uthi avule umnyango uthi ngithi Sam, how can you do this to me? Uthi uSembele ambheke esifaka amazi, uthi leso sikhathi bebavula umnyango bebalethenga intombazana. Uthi lo bamlethile bekumlungu, bengase umuntu ofana nathi bekumlungu. Uthi bamlethile, uthi le ntombazana ihlanya ikhala enye into ascreama. Or awushoza uthi zakasa screama mase bamshaya ngezinye izimpama. Uthi intombazana yathula same time. Uthi ngabona ukuthi yabona la ishubile lo muntu osilethela uyidragon uyinja. Or awushoza after we get to drop le ntombazana le uthi badobha uNhlanhla, batshela uNhlanhla ukuthi khambe uyogeza. Uthi uNhlanhla velani atsho athi ngiyazi ukuthi bangisa kuphi, athi ngiyazi ukuthi bayong-abuse, athi la ubuya khona ngiyazi ngiyangisa lapho. Or awusho inhliziyo yami ebebhlungu to think ukuthi amantombazana bawatreata so, and basithenga because of imali ngoba nirata chelete rata dilo tse di easy or awushoze mos ngaqala lapho ukufunda ukuthandaza like bengithandaza uthi bengithandaza uthi lasela khona like uhlala ilight uhlala on whether kuyashisa kuyabanda or kwenza the light is always on because of akunama window nanoma ngashisa kanjani abacishi light uthi sihlala ngale like or like utlaka kwa oli usile lubhoni uphuma ngelubhoni because of you don't see sunlight sihlala lapho uthi okay ilanga vele lishona uthi ilanga mashona lo mama lo unhlanhla ngitshele ngaye afike vele uzosilethela ukudla uthi vele ngimbulise ngithi unjani mama anga respond uthi ngithi unjani mama anga respond athule athi tu or awusuze ngibone lapho ukuthi abona la sisenjeni uthi mawuya etoilet bayakhapha mawuya etoilet bayakukhapha cause la singakhona akuna toilet or awuya ku toileting lo bhuti lona uvula lo mnyango whether uyakaka whether ukuma period whether wenzani uvula lo mnyango ame lapha kubheki like he doesn't even sengifuna ukuthukana akana ndaba whether uyakaka whether uyasheka whether wenzani akana ndaba uzoma lapha kugade akafuni any mistake uthi lokhu kwenzeke awushoze kwenzeke kube nokuthi ke sebaya negotiate uthi one time ngale toilet yabona so mangise toilet bayamfonela so bayamtshela ukuthi alungise le ntombazana leyo mlungu bafuna ukuyithengisa angazi bathi bayithengisela kwenye another country because bathi kunomuntu umfunayo umuntu okhona la kunemali but umuntu omnyama so bafuna ukumthengisa so bafuna ukuthi avele ageze abe right bamlungise kahle nekhanda because lo muntu uzozombona uthi muzingishaye uvaliniza ukuthi basithethe la so it possibility ukuthi bangithengise to another country it's there because already they've got everything documentation and bana everything yami or shows ngilikathokha lesoholeni uthi mangiphuma lapha etoilet vele ngihlebele diskele lo mlungu ukuthi wena bathi bazokuthengisa but in uthi vele ngimtshele everything uthi vele le ntombazana lo athi rather bangithengise nokuthi ngizohlala la cause la ku unhygienic athi this place it's unpleasant kahle what I was just must feel ukuthi if bayasithengisa ukuthi like I'm going further and further away from home ngamanye amagama cause angeke bangithengisele la ngibuya khona it's impossible or awushozi lo mama makaphina azosilethela isapha vele ebusuku uthi vele ngimbulisi uthi umama vele angasho next ngimbulisi uthi mama angasho next or awushozi kichurethu gore like umzimba wami ukuthoma ukuthi bayongithengisa or ukuqala lapho ukuthi sengiphatha isisu ke ngicela ibodyguard ngicela ukuya etoilet vele uthi angibone ukuthi kahle kahle vele ngiphathekile ngiphethe isisu uthi naye kusho abone ukuthi akana choice uthi akhuluma uthi makasakhuluma ngefoni lo mama lo vele uyandlula or like more like passage so etoilet uthi lo mama lo vele uyandlula uthi ngimbize ngicela ukhuluma nawe tu uthi vele umama lo vele because lo yesakhuluma ngefoni uthi ngimbuza ukuthi sikuphi la uthi vele ngimbuza ukuthi sikuyiphi country la uthi vele asho athi dalo usebenzela labantu la vele umama uthi asho athi ungangikhulumisi in front of abantu if ufuna ukukhulumisa ungilinde by chance because uzongifaka inkingeni nami ngila ngisebenzela abantwana bami uthi umama asho hamba vele uthi vele avele ngithi usebenzela abantwana bakho endaweni so uthi mama unamahloni awazi ukuthi one day uthi bengikhuluma bengithetha but like bengikhulumela phansi because we know ukuthi there is someone osefonini and angangizwe ukuthi ngikhuluma nomama uthi ngimtshela ukuthi you know ukuthi abantwana bakho one day banga end up in a place like this but ku any country not la kwabanye abantu abayivile bafanele abantu basebenzela mama ibanozwele nokuthi ngabuye lana uyasiqeda ukuthi sibale nje ukuthi mina ngizofaka inkingeni unisebenzela abantwana bakho uthi vele ukuthi usho kanjalo vele umama vele ahambe vele angafuni ukungiresponde vele ngimuze vele ahambe vele nimi uthi mangimele ngizwe vele le bodyguard vele imbuzo ukuthi lentombazana le ithini uthi vele atshele le bodyguard athi ufuna ipad uthi bodyguard vele hambe yolanda ipad vele imiyes uthi ngipretende isif ngathi ngiyalisebenzisa le pad mina ngisebenzela isisu angifuni ipad but because of I'm trying to protect lo muntu lo cause ngiyamdinga ukuthi azokhona ukunceda ukuthi ngibaleke phela kule ndawo le cause she knows ukuthi i-country yakuphi yabona uthi awungibele uthi mangibele ngale level ngithola ukuthi unhlanhla vela kangabuyanga uthi ukuthi sesenalo mlungu lo bafuna ukumthengisa ngisho ngithi ngim-update ngise-update ukuthi bafuna ukwenzani stuff like that uthi vele sicela lapho sivele si-communicate sibe close si-communicate uthi akele vele angitshela ukuthi mina lo muntu wenzeni like almost the same story but asifani ncamashi uthi so makade ulenda vele kule country lesikiyo uthi makade ulenda lapho vele uthi vele asho ukuthi no ngicela ukuya toilet yabona uthi vele ngibone uthi like something in me ingitshela ukuthi man something off la yabona uthi nje something off uthi ngicela ukuthi hayi man ngicela ukuya toilet ngilinda ngapha ungiphakele ukudla uthi cause besiku ku slow lounge yabo yalapha country le uthi vele uthi ngicela ukuthi ungiphakele ukudla ema ngisheshe ngi-toilet uthi I left my bag but ngithatha ifoni yami uthi bag yami nga everything cause bekasola busy athi ngibambele ibag solo bamba ama bag uthi ngayishare ibag yami cause every time angitshela ngebag uthi la ngibone khona ukuthi umuntu ufuna ukuphatha izinto zami uthi ifoni yami ngayithatha ngayifaka ebeleni uthi ngahamba ngamshiya lapha yana uthi lo mlungu lo uthi awusho azange aya ku-toilet uthi beka-check la athola khona i-sim card sale account le i-sim card uthi angasitholi uthi there was this guy ame lapha yana wangapha uthi wamtshela ukuthi ngifuna i-sim card athi la ngeke usithole i-sim card athi ngicela ungithengisele usebenzisayo with any amount ngizokunikeza uthi I had money inside my breast uthi lo mfana lo washo ukuthi ufuna imali uthi ngavela ngakhipha yonke imali beyimi la ibeleni uthi ngamnika uthi like benganandaba ngamnika uthi ngafaka i-sim card lesana ngafaka uthi ngamtshela ukuthi ngicela ukuthi ungisetapele masingi ngifuna ukufona abona uthi ufuna ukusebenzisa the airport wifi ngasi wifi yase airport wifi then ufuna ukufona afonele ngasekiwe uthi like ngenze izinto like masinya because of I could sense ukuthi lo muntu lona so uqala ukuba possessive so ngitshela ngebag ama passport amaphepha wami so ufuna uhlala abambele bag yami ukuthi lama instinct wami angitshela ukuthi no la usenkingeni uthi like afonele ifamily abatshela ukuthi ngina this guy singapha but I don't feel safe please try to track me ngizophela ngisendela i-location ngizophela ngisendela i-location uthathele this guy amtshela ukuthi amkhomba ukuthi bayisetha kanjani ifoni ukuthi ngapha ibambe stuff like that uthi nomfana vele wamenzela amasingi uthi okay I went back uthi mangifika ngale ngacala lapho pretenda ke ukuthi lo muntu lo angasuspect uthi la siye khona la stop la siye khona uthi ngisendile location up until ngize ngifike la ngasakhona ngakhona ukuthi ngibe ne cellphone but my family knows ukuthi ngikuphi. What I was just ngibona ukuthi at least kune sense of light if every family like ngamthola it means that bas basta out las khona uthi sisaxoxa kanjalo afike omunye vele afike vele le bodyguard afike nomunye vele umuntu ogqoka ama ring vele ogqokeni fake namazinyo vele a gold or I was just amafika lana afike vele abheke le mlungu uthi ya wathi right bamthathe kanjalo umuntu bekune last hope yami ngibeke ithembe lami kuye uthi bamthathe kanjalo azange siphinde simbone should meaning ukuthi bamthengisileke uthi azange ngisaphinda ngimbone sengisele ngonhlanhla sengimele ukuthi unhlanhla abuye or awushoze ngasikhihla uthi ngasikhihla thinking ukuthi lo yamuntu le story sakhe bengisiza ukuthi sinalisedi khona no research sisazo rescue ubani uthi unhlanhla makabuya vele abuye vele azikhalela vele abona ukuthi la khona traumatized uthi vele afike vele bamkhapha ehamba yogeza uthi vele la lezi ngubeni vele angashonex angadli nokudla. And I was just the following day vele umama lo makasilethela vele i-oats uthi vele wasiphekela i-oats masilethela vele i-oats uthi vele asho kimi athi hamba e-toilet uthi ngaye e-toilet ngazenza ukuthi ngifuna i-toilet le bodyguard level athi mama mkhapha yochama mkhapha because laba abanye basadla ngisho lo ukufanele ukuthi abagade uthi vele mangifika e-toilet vele umama lo athi I can help you ukuthi ubaleke but remember ukuthi protect because if they can find out ukuthi ngiyanceda bazongibulala yabona uthi vele amcela ukuthi bengicela just nje ungiboleke ifoni yakho ngifonele basekithi uthi ifoni ngeke ngikhona ukukunikeza because baye track but mina nganceda ukuthi escape athi there is one opening unga escape ngakwazi ukuthengisa umuntu bayaphuma banisheni nodwa ngaza ngikufulele ubaleke wenze ngathi ulele but it's very risky ukuthi kube option yami nalo mama ukuthi anganceda uthi vele ngibuyele ngale izingathi vele nami ngizile toilet uthi ngihlale phansi vele ngidla uthi vele bodyguard vele isho ukuthi hayi wena ukhuda kakhulu every time it's you and it smells bad. I was just nana umuntu akutreat ngathi uyisilwane athi bebangitreat ngathi ngisilwane uthi makade ukudla vele i-oats kube ukuthi ke amantombazana ayaphikiwe uthi I was part of those girls abaphikayo uthi vele basifaka ama pillowcase sihambe uthi besambe siyifoke simantombazana siyifonta ndayina this time usele uthi sihambe masihambe vele sizokuthi manje sesisemanzini basigibeza iskepe uthi sithe emanzini uthi le kuneso sikhathi sigibela umkhumbi uthi uyezwa ngamanzi like uyezwa seawater uyezwa vele kunuka vele amanzi uwawuhlori bana umokiko lwahle uthi umkhumbi sigibeza umkhumbi sihambe uthi ngase kudala vele umkhumbi umuthi bahlika masihlika vele basiguge basijampisele to another boat ukuthi bagibele imoto bagibele iboat bagibela another boat uthi basifake ngapho masifaka ngapho vele basikhumulise ukala vele basuse nalento ebusweni bathamba nogeza sihambe vele sogeza uthi vele sigeza uthi vele luxury boat uthi kuhle uthi sijabule vele basekele izinto zogeza uthi lapho vele lo muntu lokushuthi ushula ukuthi ngibafuna abaklini banuka kamnandi uthi basibekele vele izinto zokuqobisa ubuso basibekele nama makeup basibekele izinto ze like the brush tamino zenwele or ba rebetse le di wiki or ausjozi like bo hole into ngore like be ke feel or today kipila about uthi nempahla vele ezi right because this person unemali or ausjozi masifika lapha yana kulomkhumbi masithi claps lo muntu simaziyo i-celebrity kemothora mtsebangoze nabangani bakhe they want ama-party girls uthi vele kube yi-party kube mnandi vele siphuze uthi kulo mkhumbi loyo awushosi azange ba-rates aselo or ngikhabe kulela maka azange basihlukumeze azange basilale uthi sapha kwaba i-party kwaba mnandi azange baze basilale uthi the guy vele azange afuna ukusilala vele wathi no azange afuna ukusilala uthi instead baletha enye intombazana ngathi bekumuntu wakhe bekumuntu amthengile special ngathi expensive cost bentombazana le bayangasi umuntu omnyama bayangasi umlungu yabona athi wabona ukuthi banyana bahotswa ku-America uthi kwaza yena for this guy uthi thina vele sachila sabhema basibhemisa amahabli uthi saphuza kwabamnandi salala lapho uthi the following day ekseni this guy athi okay asambeni ngina this private location asambeni sendlapho so ngizofonela ibosseni ukuthi bangiboleke nina for another event because ngiyandinga or awusichosi you don't know uthi vele sihambe vele the boss ivumi uthi sihambe masihambe vele sifika lapha yana sifike kunamanye amantombazana nabo they are from another boss nabo basebenza lo msebenzi osusebenza excuse me uthi masifika lapha yana vele i-party house atmosphere lapha yana vele kugezwe sibolikisana vele izimpahla sibolikisana ama-wiki uthi kugezwe uthi this time manje ngokuthi yabona la indaba yami ukuthi ngi-escape it's very possible because of ama-bodyguard lawa yana beyangasi uptight fana nalawo sibuya kiwo but bebasigadile yabona uthi vele uqale vele ubumnandi kube mnandi uthi nami sengiya-enjoy sesidla namasushi or awusitozi richality steak humunati uthi but i-big boss yethu le esiphethe singayazi ihlale mfonela ucheck those girls yabo uthi I don't worry, I've got securities, they are going to check them yabona. What else was this guy bekafuna amantombazana like to party uthi vele invite other guys abo guys labo yibo vele baqale vele basihlupha ngendaba ziqansi but this one lo osihirishile azange azasihlupha or awushozi kube mnandi kube na this other guy ongilikeayo or like unlike Bosseras and like he's friends with this celebrity lo was it that Nina